Here is how to make this folding no-sew journal if you do not have this piece of junk mail, which of course you don't. So the dimensions on it, let's start there. The dimensions are, I've got 2 file folders. I just need 2 manila file folders. So the first one, here's the fold is at the bottom, and I'm going to show you why you want the fold on the main part, right? So it goes like this and this and this, okay? We're going to cut all that out in one piece. So it is 6 inches high, it is 9 inches wide, and then that top piece, which we're going to fold over, this is 1.5 inches. So that's what I've marked. So take your manila folder, as I mentioned, and from the fold line, measure up 6 inches, go across 9 inches, then add 1.5 inches. So we're going to trim this, and we're going to fold there on the 1.5 inches. Now, for the 2 side panels, I took the second manila file folder, and the size of that is, when it flips over, it's 4.5, but I've added 1 inch to fold so that once we cut those out, then we will have a fold line to attach to the back, okay? So let's go ahead and we will cut those out, and I will fold them, and I will show you exactly how this is going to work for you. Obviously, my suggestion is, as you get junk mail, which I get so much, save it. Just put it in a pile, because you never know, especially if you get these really fun folded ones, I mean, all these tri-folds and all that kind of stuff. That's like the best fun. And don't throw that away, because we're going to use that to back things, okay? So we've got, and the reason I did it on the fold and left the fold that way is because now we got both pieces, right? And they're both 1.5. So I'll get my scoreboard out in a second. Let's go ahead and trim this one up. These are just regular, inexpensive manila file folders. There we go. And then we've got that at 9. And you wanted this to be on the fold. That will work that way. Okay, so what's the next part? The next part is getting our fold lines onto the manila folders. So again, look back at this. Okay, so this is 6 inches, 6 inches, and 1.5 inches. And this is all one piece, which we're basically going to be able to make it that way and just add the flaps. So it'll be pretty simple. So get your pieces back. There we go. Got both of them over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one at a time. This is 1.5 inches down, and I'm not really measuring it on here. I'm just going to where there's a line that I can just score down. There we go. These are pretty thin manila folders, so I only do the score once. So that's going to go like that, right? So this is going to come up. So what we need to do now is we need to trim off the 1.5 inches on that part. So where there was the score line, right, we're going to come back up here and we're going to do 1.5 inches off the bottom. So let's actually, you know what, I'm just going to do the cut. It's a lot simpler. We're going to come up 1.5 inches. So you got to have to go this way to get to 1.5 inches, right? So I'll do 1.5 inches. We'll take off of this fold up part. So you want to make sure you get it on there straight. There we go. We'll just trim that part off. Okay, see what we did on that? That works really well. So here is, see how perfect that looks? It's exactly like what came in the mail. Just forget the flaps for a second. See how that goes up and that folds over. So we've got that part already. Now what we want to do is these are going to be attached on either side. So we're going to fold. Now we need to trim these because we don't need them this way, right? So I'm just going to fold it, slice it off camera. You obviously know what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, so now I've got my 2 pieces. okay? And this is going to be right there, right? This will be actually like this because we're gonna put the fold. So let's do a crease of 1 inch. So we want to, hold on 1 second, there we go. Actually, if I go over here, can I get 1 inch? Yeah, see, it's just slightly different, okay. Mark that one. That one's ready now, so that'll go on there. And let's do this one. And I'll do 1 inch on that one. So that'll be right there. Okay, move the scoreboard away. And we will fold this and see what we've just created. So, now they may have to be trimmed because typically, oh no, it doesn't look. Yep, it does need to be trimmed just a little bit. They're a little bit too tall, and then this will fold over, okay? So I'm gonna trim, I'm just gonna trim this by hand. I don't need to run it back through the machine because we're basically talking about a hair off, and that's because of the fold lines. Okay, Diane, get it opened up. There we go. So then this one will be on here, this one will be on there, right? It'll be like a gatefold. And that's gonna come up there, and that's gonna fold up, and yes, it works. See, it works. So here is what we're now going to cover. So I'm going to cover this one, my junk mail piece, but you can start to cover this one, okay? And what you wanna do is, what I would be doing if I was using this is I would cover these before I put them on, so that it's a lot easier on your, it's just easier to do that, okay? So there you go. Now you got your basic foundation ready to cover.